Easy way to stop hiccups. 5 tricks that really work. Ever get hiccups right when you're talking or eating? It feels funny at first, but when it doesn't stop, it's just annoying. Today, let's learn 5 easy ways to stop hiccups and why they work. We'll try each one together so you can remember it next time. What are hiccups? Hiccups happen when the big muscle under your lungs, called the diaphragm, suddenly jerks or spasms. That makes air rush into your throat, your voice box closes, and you get that sound. It can happen when you eat too fast, drink fizzy soda, laugh too hard, or even when you're nervous. 1. Drink cold water. First, take a small sip of cold water. Cold water can reset your breathing muscle and calm that spasm. Some people even drink from the opposite side of the glass. It feels strange, but it makes your muscles move in a new way, which can stop the hiccup. 2. Swallow a spoonful sugar. Next, try a teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit on your tongue for a few seconds, then swallow slowly. Why it works. The sweet taste surprises the nerves in your throat and can distract your body from hiccuping. It's safe and easy. Just don't do it too often if you have diabetes. 3. Sip warm chamomile tea. Another gentle way is to drink a little warm chamomile tea. Chamomile helps your muscles relax, including the one that causes hiccups. It's especially good for kids or bedtime. Warm, calm, and safe. 4. Try a breathing trick. Here's one that works for many people. Take a deep breath, hold it for 10 seconds, then let it out slowly. Do this 2 or 3 times. Holding your breath increases carbon dioxide in your blood, which can calm the nerves that control hiccups. If you're sitting, you can also bend forward gently while holding your breath. That gives the diaphragm a small stretch. 5. Avoid common triggers. To stop hiccups from coming back, avoid big, rushed meals or too many fizzy drinks. If you often get hiccups after spicy food or soda, slow down and take smaller bites. It's like giving your body time to breathe between mouthfuls. Safety note and wrap-up. Most hiccups go away in minutes, but if they last more than 2 days or make it hard to eat or sleep, it's time to see a doctor. Sometimes hiccups can be a sign of another problem. Which of these tips worked best for you? Tell me in the comments. And if you like learning simple health tricks that make sense, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.